Hi, I'm Ali and a warm welcome to the Ceramic Repair Studio. So in today's video, as you can see here, I have a green jug, which I believe is Venetian, and I'm going to use a technique which is going to involve Araldite 2020. And as you can see, this is glass and it's got a huge big hairline crack all the way along. You can also use this technique on porcelain. So let's get going. Right, so with the Araldite 2020, we're first of all going to use the part A. And so we need 3 of these to 1 of the part B. So I'm going to first of all add 15 ml of the part A and then 5 of the part B. Right, so that's 15 ml in there. So then, of course, put the lid on straight away, and then we'll take the part B and add just 5 in there. So again, a little shake, and then just very gently just look to see where we are and add in the last 5. That's it. And again, lid on straight away. Obviously you can make smaller quantities, all depending on the size of your item. So once we've got our glue together, you want to give it a real good mix, and I'm using a cocktail stick here, and you want to make sure it's thoroughly combined. Right, so now I've got the piece here. I'm going to start actually from the inside. Obviously, if you have a container where it's very tight on the top and you can't get inside, you'll just have to do outside. But with this one, I can literally get my hand in. So I'm going to start from the inside, then afterwards on the out. And I'm going to start from where the crack actually begins, which is around here. So we're just going to take our cocktail stick, and then I'm just working inside and I'm just working inside all the way along from the starting point. And because this glue is very fine, it's literally goes into within the crack and will literally set itself within inside. So just gently, if you can see, coming inside. And I'll probably go over this a couple of times. And you want to make sure that you're going all the way along the crack. If it starts to get a bit if it drips slightly, that's fine. You can leave it for 5-10 minutes, then wipe it with a damp cloth. And hopefully then this crack won't develop and go any further. But obviously once you do have a crack in an item, you wouldn't be able to put any warm fluids in there, because it will actually soften the glue, and it probably isn't food safe either. But if you have an item which you absolutely love and want to keep, and maybe put dried flowers in, or use it for some sort of something which doesn't contain any sort of liquid, that's great. So again, I'm just going all the way in here. I don't know if you can see here. We'll work on the inside and on the outside in a second. So liberally going all the way along. So, and I will come back to this and do it for a second time, making sure that it's completely, haven't missed any bits and it's all saturated. Again, you want to get right to that starting point so the crack doesn't develop any further. So now I've worked from the inside, I'm now going to work on the outside. So again, just looking to see where the crack starts. I can see from here. I'm just going to take my glue and then just start to move along the crack. To say, this glue will penetrate in to little capillaries almost, and will actually glue with inside itself. and then just working our way all the way along. Making sure we haven't missed anything out. And making sure that we've got right to the end part so the crack isn't going to develop any further. What I'll do now is I'll leave this for a good 10 minutes, and then I'm going to take a damp cloth and just very gently wipe off any surplus glue from the inside and also the outside. And then just to give it a little bit, make sure I haven't forgotten or missed any pieces, I will go through the process again by starting with glue on the inside, working my way out again from the outside, leaving it for 10-20 minutes, and then just gently wiping off any surplus glue. I hope you enjoyed today's video and found it useful. Again, you can use this on porcelain, and this is the Araldite 2020. I'm not sure if there are other companies which do something similar. If you do know of something similar, please leave a comment down below. And also if you found the video useful and enjoyed it. And I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Okay, bye.